OCR Maths and Stats Integration Techniques for C3 and C4, integrating linear functions of x. So any linear function of x raised to a power. The power n cannot be equal to minus 1. Integrating 2x plus 1 to the power of 4, and in this example the coefficient of x, is 2, and n, the power, is 4. So applying the formula, ax plus b, so everything inside the brackets there, 2x plus 1, there, to the power of n plus 1, so the power was 4, so it's telling you to increase the power by 1, there. Then in the denominator here, we're dividing by a, which is the coefficient of x, so we're going to divide by the 2. We're also dividing by n plus 1, the new power. So we're dividing by the new power there, which is 5, plus c. And then simplifying, we have 2x plus 1 to the power of 5 over 10 plus c, or 1/10 2x plus 1 to the power of 5 plus c. Integrating 1 minus 3x, so a linear function of x inside the brackets, raised to a power. So we have 1 minus 3x, increase the power by 1, so the minus 5 becomes minus 4. And then we're dividing by the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is minus 3. And we're dividing by the new power, which is minus 4. And we can simplify that to 1 over 12, so 1/12, 1 minus 3x to the power of minus 4 plus c. Before we integrate this function here, we need to use index form instead of third form. So we can rewrite this as 5 over 2x plus 1 to the power of a third, and that becomes 5 times 2x plus 1 to the power of minus a third. So we're going to integrate this. So we've got 2x plus 1. If we increase the power by 1, so that minus 1/3 plus 1 gives 2/3. So then we're going to divide by that new power. We're also going to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2. We were multiplying by 5, so that 5 goes into the numerator, plus c, the constant of integration. And now we need to simplify this part here. And this gives 15 over 4, 2x plus 1 to the power of 2/3 plus c. Now this formula cannot be used when the power n is minus 1. And in this case we can see that n is minus 1, and it cannot be equal to minus 1, so it's not going to work out. Yeah, there's a different way of integrating linear functions raised to the power of -1. So let's see what happens if we proceed with this formula. Okay, so there's the 4x plus 1, increasing the power by 1, so that's -1 at the moment, so increasing that by 1 gives us 0, and then we're going to divide by the coefficient of x and divide by the new power plus c, and then simplifying the numerator, anything to the power of 0 is 1. In the denominator, 4 times 0 is 0 plus c, and 1 divided by 0 is undefined. It doesn't work. The correct method to integrate a linear function raised to the power of -1 results in logs, and there's a separate formula for that, which I'll go through a bit later on in a different video.